Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect MailerLite to Squarespace. All right. So first up, go ahead and go to your MailerLite dashboard, and here go to the left panel and click on Integrations. Okay. Click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, scroll down and find Squarespace. Click on Use. Then in here, as you can see, we are being provided a code snippet. Okay. Just go ahead and go to Subscriber Groups. Click on it. Now select the group. Select. Now once done, let's just go ahead and click on copy in here. And then let's go ahead and go to our Squarespace website or the editor. In here, instead of editing it, just click on exit. Now go to website, pages. Right here we have custom code injection. Click on it. Now paste it to the header section. All right. And then once that's done, just hit on save at the top. And after that, continue editing your website and you're good to go. From now on, all subscribers who accept marketing through forms will be synced with MailerLite. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.